How to install Terralith on your vanilla server. If the server is completely new, start it once to let it generate all the server files. Stop the server if it's running, head to your Terralith mod page and press download. Select the version of your server and choose Datapack as the platform. Now we can go back to the server page and go into File Management, the World folder, Datapack folder, and here we quite simply drag and drop the Terralith zip file. Go back to the World folder again, this time go into the Regions folder, and here we want to remove all the region files. By doing this, Terralith will regenerate the spawn chunks and not only the newly explored chunks. And that's all. You can now go ahead and start the server again to enjoy your beautiful world.